Hello friends. Today I am going to share you one Excel automation which I have created for Anand Enterprises for store management. So in store, the person has to know how much work in progress inventory is there, how much rejection return is there, how much inward and how much dispatch is there. Then overall inward dispatch as a finished parts, dispatch as a raw material, the work in progress, rejection in weight and in tonnage. So I have created one dashboard for him, and he can get this all the data in map chart, tree map chart, waterfall chart, then funnel chart also. For that, he need to go in data entry sheet. So here I have given one tab with data entry. So in data entry, he has got date here, he can change the date. Then product names, so here are multiple products: Ola, Ether, Cola, Optima, U244. Then processes, there are different processes like dispatch, power buffing, dispatch, powder coating, FG, inventory, inward, send material, reverse return, rejection return, then so many. Then from plant, we can get material from different plants. For example, if I select inward, then I can get here Anantwan and Vika. Then inward happen to only Anantwan. But in case of dispatch, two plant will be many, like Bosch, Endurance. So it is dynamically changed. This drop down has been dynamically changed with respect to this process. For example, we can select Endurance, and he has to put the channel number and quantity, LH and RH. So he can anytime he can go to dashboard and he can see the data. For example, here we are seeing this Cola. Cola has the highest inventory, and fortunately, customer asking for this Cola part. So what we will do, we will dispatch some of the parts from this Cola. We will go to data entry, then we will select. I will type K. See, I get Cola also tab. Then dispatch is already there. From Anand one, we will send, and we can select customer. So if I type G, so I can get Gabriel, and challenge number I will put something 45. Then quantity LH and RH, these are in pairs, so I will put 8500. Automatically RH also there because they are in pairs. Now this entry should come below this earlier entry, so it should go in 1589 row number. So I need to put submit. See this entry is here. Now Cola, we are dispatching 8500 LH and RH. I will go to dashboard and see from Cola, this graph has been already changed, and in dispatch also this effect is already there. Now it is not in descending order. I want to convert it into descending order, so I will put this sort descending order. See, now Cola has gone to fifth number because it is in this order. So this graph also has changed. This dashboard has been changed. Now I want to create a report. So I will click on this PDF. So what will happen? Yes, this PDF is generated. Executive dashboard. Okay, then we can get this breakout for process wise summary. So product, and these are the processes. So how much cumulative quantity is there, we can see. Then we will go page number 3. So here we can get date wise, part wise, inward. So how many parts for Cola we have got at date 1, how much LH and how much RH. So this breakup is there. I'll go to next sheet. uh, Parts are there, part name is there, and date wise how much rejection happened, so we can see this data. So this I have created in Excel. I will close this PDF. Now user has to send the mail to management. So we have put the practice that every day 10 a.m. he will send this mail to management. So he will click on mail, and now this mailbox is open. Once I clicked on that mail, see this mail is ready. Two into how many people are there? CC some person is there. BCC, it is my mail address, and this is dashboard which we have created right now. So today is date 3rd December. So 3rd December 24, and please find attached store report for 3rd December 24. And this is store person name. So everything is ready. He has to just click on send. So this mail will go to everyone. The automation I have created in Excel. So we have created our own tab. Anand tab is there, and in that tab we have got all these menus. We have created these different charts in dashboard, and in backend we have created some database. See, this rejection report was there, which we observed in dashboard also, inward. Okay, then process wise. So all this we have created here, and we converted it into PDF and send mail to all people. So how do you find this automation? Wonderful. So this is the strength of Excel. Excel can do wonders. So this person, this poor chap, was working this activity for 3 hours every day because he has maintained so many Excel files, different file for dispatch, different file for invert, different file for rejection, everything. So he has got 10 different files, and he was managing data like I don't know how he was managing the data. So he was just going to one dispatch sheet, then getting the data on the notebook, then getting the data from invert, calculating manually, and for this all these activities, adding the data, getting the report, and sending mail to management, it was very problematic for him. It took 3 hours a day, plus data was not accurate, and boss used to scold him many times because of wrong data. So all his problems has been solved, and every day he has to work only for 10 minutes to finish his 3 hours work. Thank you very much.